Hello, my beautiful people. I'm so excited that you're here. It's Freaky Wednesday. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on the journey to become the free. I'm so excited for Freaky Wednesday. So what Freaky Wednesday is, we combine mini Mondays and Freebie Friday together and they all get a little bit of love. And today we have $60. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to see who's gonna get the most love. And every time I roll a 1, each envelope with the saving challenge from Mini Monday and Friday gets $1. So if I roll 1, Mini Monday number 1 is gonna get 1, and Freebie Friday number 1 is gonna get the other. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I will say, oh my gosh, you guys, we're getting closer and closer for those 4,000 watch hour. I am so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is Fridays. I am so pumped. Before I do go ahead and get started, I'm actually going to leave this here. I'm going to leave this here because this is for the big saving challenge that I have that I feel like I lost. But before I go ahead and get started, you guys, I will say, oh my gosh, thank you so much for the 3 people that order from my Etsy shop. They are shipping today. So excited, like literally thank you. You know I have a goal of 10 order, so that means I have 7. I'm gonna leave this one right here because it doesn't have anything. So I need 7 more. Actually no, I'm gonna just get it out, just a little envelope, the little saving challenge, sorry. I need 7 more orders to complete my goal for this month, which is 10 Etsy order. I still have 2 more lunches to do. Still working on those saving challenges that I'm thinking. And yeah. So I'm so excited. I will put in the screen over here my watch hours. So if you can play any of my playlists or just in general watch my video throughout, I would truly appreciate that so much. Okay. We are getting close and close and close. I'm sorry, this usually always takes a little longer than usual because I'm putting all the envelopes in here. But hey, it's okay, right? I hope so. Alrighty. And then we're going to take a thumbnail and yeah. Okay. So yeah, guys, happy Wednesday. Oh my gosh, we're almost halfway through the week. Like what? Okay. I don't know where time is going, but it's going fast. Like we just started this month and we're already on number what? Number 4? I don't know. Okay, we're gonna fix that in just a second. So hold on, you guys. Hold on. Also, you guys, finally, it's the 2nd day that I don't feel bad and I am so excited. Ooh. Wait, hold on. Okay. I don't know what that is for. Okay, never mind. I think this one, yeah, I believe that one is for the big challenge. Okay. I believe that's the one for the big challenge. I don't know. I could be wrong. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a thumbnail. Hopefully this is pretty looking. I don't know. We will see. But let's go ahead and get a cute little thumbnail. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Cheese. All right, so those are going out. I love it. Okay. All right, I hope that worked. If not, oh well. All right, here we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. All right, guys, we have a 1. Okay. Awesome sauce. I'm excited. I hope I can complete something. Another 1. It'll be nice if we complete something, you guys. This is so much fun to play. Again, a number 1 got a 5. Oh my goodness. That's our first 5. I believe I have maybe like, I don't even know. And again, a number 1. I believe I have maybe like 5 or 6, 5. I don't know. And 6. Okay, good. Finally, I feel like 6 is so hard to get, you guys. I have a 2. Okay. A 2. Oh my goodness. A 2 got number 5. Okay, that's 2 5s, right? I believe that's 2 5. A 1. You guys, what is going on? That's 3 5. Oh my goodness. What's going on? Okay, no. Let's redo that one. Okay, a 6. Okay, here we go. A 6. Oh my gosh. I was telling Alex. A 1. Oh my gosh. Okay. A 1. And again a 1. Oh my gosh. I was telling Alex that I want to go do my nails. I was like, I feel like I need an alone time. I was like, I need to go treat myself. I was like, I know I said I didn't want to go to the nail salon, but I really want to go and treat myself. Okay, a 6. Okay, this is exciting. I feel like 6 never gets anything, so I'm excited. Come on, let's see who else gets more. A 2. Another 5. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm telling you. Oh my goodness. By the way, those 5s are so crispy. And number 2. Okay, something's going on. 1 and 2 are in there. Okay, 6 is going in there. Come on, we need a 3. Come on, we need a 3. We need a 3. A 6. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I feel like I'm running out of money. And number 3 has not gotten anything. A 1. Oh my goodness. You guys, I don't know what's going on. Come on, 3. Again, a 1. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, there you have it, guys. Number 3 didn't get any love. And number 4 didn't get any love. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Okay. That's all I have to say. I don't know what's going on. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let me just do it like... How should I do it? Okay. Let's do it like this. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night. Okay, so those are Fridays. All right, those are Fridays. Okay, let's put those to the side. Hopefully I don't mess anything up. Okay, and let's start with mini Mondays. Okay, this one got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it got 5 on this one. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna go ahead and do this one, 2, 4, and 5. We need $1, $2, $3 left, and we're gonna be done with this one. Yeah, we're definitely gonna complete that maybe Monday. So that's exciting. Oh my goodness. That was this video for today, saving challenges or Freaky Wednesday. It is definitely weird. This one is weird. I don't know what's going on. Okay, this one got $1, and that's okay because each horseshoe is $1. Okay, awesome. And this is from Reno Budgets. Reno Budget, I believe. The Hello Kitty one was from my shop. Okay, from Ko-Fi. Okay, awesome. Nice. Okay, this one didn't get anything. And it had a leftover of 2. And we can't do anything because we need $3 to color each bone. This one didn't get anything either. Okay, here we go. This one got, oh yes, 5, 6, 7, 8. It got 8. It got 8, you guys. And you know what that means? We're done with this one because we only needed $4. And I don't know how much this one saved me, but I am excited. Let's take $1 and put this 5 in here. All right, are we ready to count? I made this one, you guys, on my Ko-Fi. So let's see. Oh my goodness. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 44, you guys. Oh my goodness. Yes. 44. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is for Mini Mondays. So let's go ahead and get another one. Why not? Can't remember who gave me this, but we're gonna make this $4. So 4, 4, 4. It's a cute little cowboy hat. Oh, look how cute. I can't remember who gifted me this one, but it was from the pin paw group. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, we actually have 1 to complete. We're gonna do the little heart. Okay, and you guys, Dylan woke up. You're gonna hear him screaming. It is early in the morning. Okay, you guys, I can't believe that. Okay, awesome. All right, and last but not least is this one right here, which got the most money, I feel like, but who knows. All right, this one is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It got 12, and we only need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe this. We're gonna see how much we saved. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this challenge is completed, you guys, and it is on my Ko-Fi. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. We saved 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Okay, $16. Oh my goodness. Okay, another challenge. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's do a 4 as well on this one. It is the wanted for $4. So let's do $4. Okay. All right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, we got for 1. I don't have a paper clip. Yes, I do. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. So let's color this. Okay, and we're gonna paper clip that. $4, and we still have some money left, which is, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3. We have $3 left, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm in shock. Okay, awesome. See, small victories. It's okay. It's not a loser type of thing. It's a small victory. You get more motivated. Okay, so this is for Mini Mondays. So let's put those back for Mini Mondays. Oh my gosh, cannot wait to see what else I'm able to do. Okay, so there's that. All right, awesome sauce. Okay, now let's do the Freebie Friday. Let's see how far we got on those. All right, here we go. All right, this one right here got a lot of money. All right, let's see. So this one got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. $16, you guys. Wow. Okay, 16. So let's count. We have 4, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Yay. Okay. And I hear Dylan calling for mom. Okay. Awesome. We're almost done, Dylan, I promise. Okay. Yay. I hear him. All right. So there's that. Okay. Next. This one right here. All right. This one got 5, 6, 7, 8. It got 8. So we can do number 4. So 4 and another 4. Woo! And this one will save us, you guys, $35. And it's from Beauty Mom Budgets. Check her out. Love that. Excited to finish that. I love low numbers. High numbers do take longer, but in the long run, it is a bigger amount. So it's very exciting. Okay, so there's that. Okay, guys, I'm so sad. This one didn't get any. I only need a 6. I only need a 6, so that one did not get anything, which is so sad. Okay, this one didn't get anything either. I'm so sad. Okay, maybe next time. Maybe Friday. Maybe Friday, okay? And then this one got $1. And it's not gonna do anything either. because it is for $2 each clover. So maybe next time. Maybe next time. And last but not least, okay, this one, you guys. This one here got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9. Okay? $9. So we're gonna do 2 of the 4 and 1 of $1. So we have 4, 8, and a 1. So 9. Okay. Hope you can see that. Awesome. Oh, I'm excited when we do this one. This one's gonna be a big amount, so I am pumped. You'll see that we already have 20, 30, 40, 50 bucks in that one. That's gonna be a very good debt payment when I finish that one. Okay, guys, well, there you have it. Freaking Wednesday was interesting today. Okay, I cannot complain. I'm excited. So those $60 that I got, I actually went to the bank and got it because I got paid for my eBay order that I sold. So I was like, yay, I can finally use some money towards my Freaky Wednesday challenges. So yeah, so I got that. All right, there you have it, guys. I hope you liked this video. So excited that I was able to finish some. I cannot believe I did. So how much did we save today? How much do we have towards our debt? So I believe, let's see. So they're all ones pretty much. So let's see. I forgot how much it was for what. Okay, so we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60? Really? Let's count again. Yeah, $60. So the same amount that I had for playing, that's the same amount we completed today. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. Okay, thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you stayed throughout the whole video, leave me a star emoji because I appreciate you so much. And I see you guys tomorrow for cash stuffing Thursday. Woo! All right, guys. Bye.